Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12C, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now to get started, you want to open up settings. From here, see, either it's going to be in about phone, and it is. So in here you'll find factory reset option, click on it and select erase all data. This will give you an option to back up your device if you have any data that you'd like to preserve on your phone. If you do, just back it up. If you don't, you can select factory reset. This will stop us and let us know that basically this process removes everything from your device. So if you have anything on it that you don't want to get rid of, make a copy of it. And then we have another 10 seconds wasted of our life and just to hammer down that info once more into our heads. No, twice is not enough. We need to have that 3 times. From there, we can tap on OK. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.